Well, good morning all. Hope you're all doing well, looking like yourself. It's going to be a lovely day today. You can't decide what lane he's going in. Never mind, it's a taxi driver, what do you expect? No, lights ain't working. And anyway, yeah, as I was saying, good morning all. It's a lovely morning, clear blue skies, going to be 30 plus degrees today. And today is Sunday, and we're on our way to Mental Health Awareness Day down at the Tote Cafe in Pulborough. So yeah, so we're on our way to the first meeting point, Hopcliffe McDonald's, and we'll see you there. Hopefully catch up with you in a few. Right, nod. Are we first or not? Not. That be the RythmicBiker.
I can show you, right? Now look, I was taking some shots for my YouTube channel. Oh.
Well guys, here we are, we're on our way. We got Ali, Hadyn, RevBomb, Rhythmic, and another guy on the Ducati. Sorry, I've forgotten his name, he did introduce himself. And me at the front, and we're now on our way down to meet up with Andy and Crouchie and see where we go. Let's enjoy the ride. Well, here we are, just at the SO garage, just outside Rikers Box Hill, and we're getting ready for the last little leg of the journey. Now we've all had a bit of a refreshment. Here we are, just half a mile away from the Tote Cafe now, hopefully, see a sign for it soon. Managed to sort of keep the pack together. I had to pull over a couple of times. Picked up GT Travels, Rich, he's obviously behind me. and then everybody else behind him. And you get two big bikes behind you, you can't see anybody else, but we are almost here, 400 yards away, and this could be it, somewhere. Petrol station, and that looks like it on the right hand side. And we have arrived.
Oh, did it?
Where we are, it's a bit empty now, and they're all packing up and going home. That was the mental health awareness event run by MTTank, G Travels, RevBomb, RythmicBiker, Crazy Dad, and Rhythmic's friend he did introduce me to, but I've forgotten his name, on the little multicoloured VN down there. Andy and Crouchie already left, and we're gonna, in this heat, we're gonna start heading back. And it's very warm, it's very warm. It's about 34 degrees at the minute, so we're going to start heading home. It's a good day, nice to see people, nice to get some support. And so without further ado, we're going to head off.
2.5 hours.
Hey?
3 hours. 2.5.
107 miles.
Well, I'll send up a flare when I'm ready for fuel. It's not bad. It did get most of the way here on one tank. It's not so bad.
We've got a bit of drone footage today. I didn't do any 360 footage. We've got a bit of drone footage today, and I'll probably put that in here.
How big are these tanks?